Hey, from the start of the game, compete. Defense, 1, 2, 3, defense. What up, Mike? How we doing, brother? Maintain it, fam.
That's all you can do, man.
Maintain.
Happy holiday.
Same to you, sir.
Everything looks beautiful. You're executing, you're playing, moving the ball. Great stuff. Let's get a stop and a score right now. Stop and a score.
DiVincenzo knocks down another. Timeout. Philadelphia.
Welcome home, baby. Let's go. Who needs Steph Curry?
Stay with it, man. Just stay with it. Got to grind all night. Grind all night.
First play! First play! First play!
Scrivens trying to drive on to Leonard. Back players over the wing. Edwards in attack mode. He's a high fly. Crossing into defenders. Counted and a foul.
Multiple drives! Multiple drives! Good job! Good job! Just keep making the right play. Huh?
Yeah, keep running. Stops and run. Yeah, we just got to run. Just run. Stops and run. Stops and run.